The last video in the series is syntax and variables. So basically, you can think of syntax as grammar, but for computers and programming languages. Like for example, if somebody comes up to you and says, "Hi, name my Jewett, my color blue favorite," it doesn't make sense to you. Grammatically, it's incorrect. But since humans are smart, we could easily figure out that the person was trying to say, "Hi, my name is Jewett, and my favorite color is blue." Okay, by the way, there's nobody named Jewett, I just made it for the video. But computers can't do that. There are some AIs nowadays, but programming languages especially can't do that. So for example, let's say that you went to Python and you typed in print, you want to type in print hello, but you accidentally forgot the T. Python won't do autocorrect and write print there. There are stuff these days like word reference, Grammarly, and there's still a ton of AI that can figure out some of these kind of things. But we're not quite there for all the programming languages in the world to have that kind of stuff. But if a human came and looked at that code, he would easily say, "Oh, he meant to put a T there," and the person would easily figure that out. But Python, not yet. So if in your code there is a syntax error, the computer will just give you an error. It'll say whatever the computer is designed to, whatever the programming language was programmed to give you for that specific error. It won't execute the code. And now let's look at variables. You can think of variables as a box, but in the computer. What can you put inside a box? You can put numbers, you can put letters, you can put toys, you can put words, you can put pretty much anything. A lot of things, as if the box is big enough. You can even put other boxes. You can put 1,000 boxes inside one box, as long as you have enough space in the big box. Well, variables are just basically the box, but inside a computer. And they're very important in code. But before we check that out, why we use them, first let's look at some places where they are in real life. Let's see, how are you feeling today? You're always feeling something, but you're always feeling different things. You might feel the same thing for the past 1 hour, or for the past 1 day, but you're always feeling something. You're never feeling nothing, and probably tomorrow it's probably going to change. Like, you could be feeling happy. What are you watching? Are you watching this video? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling sleepy? I hope you're not, because then this is useless. But then let's look at science, for example, or your daily life. The wind is there's always wind, or there's no wind. Right now when I'm taking this video, it's really windy out here. But the wind, let's say, is going at X kilometers per hour. Let's say that X is the variable. Every day X will be different. It might be the same for 1 week, I doubt it. But it could be 0, but it's not just X. It could be like 100, it could be like 5, but it's always something. And it's always changing. Basically, that's what you can use variables for in real life. There's some examples. But let's look at the code, for example. I'm just going to give you 2 examples. Basically, your lives in a video game, or the score in a video game. You could think of some other reasons why you would use a variable. That's all I have for this video and playlist. Hope you guys enjoyed it.